Hello everyone, my dear students. I am Dr. Professor Pravin Buge, career counselor, corporate trainer, and the director for the Board for Upskill Growth of India. Now, I take this opportunity. I am truly excited to share something very special with all the bright pharma minds at the NIPER SS Nagar Mohali campus. Pharma graduate today face a very highly competitive placement environment. You know about it. Now, this placement environment is not just about the technical knowledge. Recruiter, company also look for the students' communication skill, their problem solving abilities, the teamwork, adaptability, and the confidence. Just say some few qualities recruiter will go to check. That's why in this workshop we're going to bring a comprehensive placement preparedness workshop. This is a workshop designed especially for the NIPER young firm students to make them placement ready and industry ready. This is almost a 6-day workshop. This workshop will be conducted in 2 batches and definitely with maximum participation and learning. And over the 6 day, me, Pravin and my colleague Mandar will cover Aptitude and Analytical skill, cracking the placement test with the very confidence. The method strategy we're going to share it. Second point, we're going to discuss about the group discussion, pharma and healthcare oriented topics to build the students' articulations and teamwork, their techniques, and definitely personal interviews. The third point, the mock interviews with the real-time feedback to improve the student answers also. And this workshop will be with the pharma case studies. We're going to have the real world scenario to sharpen the students' problem solving also. And this workshop is embedded with the soft skills and the professional etiquettes also. How to communicate it, how the body language is important, and confidence building result with practical approach. And most important, reason and career guidance. To make the CV stand out in a pharma recruiter, this is our next priority. Therefore, this is just not another training program, it is a complete grooming program to transfer the NIPER pharma student into the professional and pharma industry wants to hire them. My dear students, through this workshop, we'll try our best way, be ready to face any placement challenges with confidence. And that is a signature dish in our workshop. Have a clear idea about the student's strength, their areas of improvement, and gain real experience. Real experience through the mock test, through the group discussion, and definitely real-time interviews. In this workshop, we're going to build the mindset of successful professional. So, all the pharma students, definitely NIPER students, will ready for this placement preparedness workshop at NIPER Mohali campus in Chandigarh. But to this platform, I take this opportunity, such type of the placement drive preparation or the training we conduct. I, Dr. Pravin Buge and my colleague Mandar will conduct such type of the real-time scenario workshop for all the pharma students. Whether you completed your graduations, whether you are the PG students like the NIPER students, whether you are applying for the any MNC, any post, any designations, the placement, its requirement, aptitude test, preparation of the group discussion, the strategy, how to crack it, strategy, what kind of the questions will go into answers in the question, what kind of the soft skills through the real time, through the strategy, through the practical approach, we're going to deliver it. Therefore, you have to call numbers which is given in the description box also for such type of the workshop. This workshop is designed by trainer by career counselors which work in pharma industry at the same times with the pharma companies, pharma academicians. My request, please book the call with us. Definitely, we'll be very happy to train, to share our experience with the all future pharmacos. Enjoy your activity, definitely. As like a NIPER, will be in touch with you for coming pharma session. Thank you very much.